Okay, lads, so I'm just going to talk you through output 4, 5, and 6. All right, so this is all around based around Solidworks. So output 4 is the design of the gaming headset using Solidworks. All right, so if you have a copy of it, well, it would be recommended that you spend some time practicing because that makes your life a lot easier for next year. If you don't have a copy of SolidWorks, but you do have a copy of Fusion 360, then that's great. And if you don't have a copy of either of them, then don't worry about it. But you'll probably have to just spend a bit of time at the weekend skilling up next year. Okay, so output 4 is the design of it. So you create it in separate parts, or you create it in one part and split it up. Here is what you're left with, a whole load of files like this. That's what you would hand in on a memory stick to the Department of Education. Output 5 then is SOLIDWORKS drawings. So once you have your design created, it's very easy just to generate a quick working drawing from that. All right, so it really the work is in output 5, or sorry, output 4. And then output 6 is the photorealistic view. And again, once you have your project made, it's quite easy and quick to do this. So here you would get things like exploded views and details and stuff like that. So 4, 5, 6 are pretty much the same thing, except we lay them out in different formats. All right. If you have the resources to do this, then great. But I won't be assessing it. Okay.